Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I have not been posting lately, but I went ahead and vlogged my days just so you guys could see them. And anyways, before I get started with the video, I do mention my son's name, so if you want to know his name, you better stay tuned and I'll be skipping.
Wow.
Wow.
Ew, look at this thing.
She sent me a long ass paragraph kissing ass.
What's this? One charger? No. This one?
Yeah.
Just put my phone. You want to take it?
I'm num num
Just
num
put it in
num.
charge.
I'm num 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 num.
What happened?
I don't know, is it good? Or I feel like I should. This is it for today's video. This is how the makeup ended up looking, as you guys can see. Well, anyways, I don't do makeup like that, but you know, today was just a day. Today I'm going to be trying these two edibles, cannabis infused. This one is what is that one shit? Captain Crunch, I think. And then this one is the Crispy Pebbles. Go ahead and try this one. I'm not sure how many milligrams it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in half because it's gonna be me and some other person sharing. As you can see, that's how it looks. It's pretty fat. That's what he said. Not just kidding. But so as you can see, those are the two pieces. Usually these be tasting like weed, but this one doesn't taste like weed, so I'm gonna eat it. So it's $7.25, and let's see how long it takes. Last night I had took the other edible, this one, and I was gonna record it, but I was just too high that I fell asleep. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this one for you guys and record it because that looks bomb. It tastes good. My name is Aiden. Where are the chicas? Where are the chicas? Dile un tanto a las chicas. So today I'm going to show y'all what I got. These are gummies. As you can see, it says right there. There comes 6 in them, so. And I got these two edibles. One of them is cinnamon toast, but it says it's 700 milligrams. And then this one's 700 milligrams too. It's I forgot what kind of cereal this is. No kid. Don't judge me. It tastes like cinnamon. It tastes like the cereal. I personally don't like when the edibles taste like weed because it just tastes nasty. You don't want to say nothing, huh? So it's been about an hour, I think, and I still haven't felt anything. Some edibles usually take about 2 hours, but I don't know. We will see. I'm going to go ahead and try these. They're like gummy. What the? This is how they look like. It comes like. It kind of tastes like weed. I don't like it. This one has a lot. You see the oil on it. Now we're not recommending you. If you do it, you do it. But if
That's
you're
how
not
you do
doing
if you do it.
Let's see.
You wanna hit this?
Let's see your torch.
Oh, someone fucking your bitch. Someone was
the other
fucking my
video.
bitch not that long ago. So fuck all y'all motherfuckers out there fucking our bitches.
What the Bubba Shaman said.
Put the bubble shum in. Oh, let me tell you, I was about to get down with this bitch. Story time. So guys, females thinking they the shit. Baby girl, eat a little more, fatten up a little bit, and then get my cut.
A ver, cargador.
Let me find out.
Bitch is not even moving.
Bitch, it was on though. It was red. Okay, nah, it's for sure charging. Huh? Thanks. When did I drop the blunt?
I think like
A week ago? I dropped the wood, and I was so sad.
Because it was on the 22nd.
Yeah, I was so sad. But I was still smoking. I gave no
Who is that?
Bitch, get the fuck out of the video. I do got an attitude. I'm a motherfucking Virgo, and she's a Leo. So that's how we get along.
We both get.
And then when we argue,
We talking
that shit like a house on fire. Like, oh God.
But for what? So we could talk again?
Yeah, and then we just be like, smoke good.
And then we'd be laughing about it.
Yeah.
Back at in with the bullshit.
We
finna roll up the wood. Wait, do you ever like imagine yourself having like a twin sister?
Hell nah. The bitch would probably like, I would probably want to kill the bitch every motherfucking second. Because
people
knowing
would
how
think
I
it's
am.
you.
Yeah. Oh.
And then what if she try to act like you?
And then what if she take my? Oh.
And then if you want to have kids, twins too? No.
Not gonna happen.
And kids are a blessing, you know, but when you're not stable, I'ma get that in there.
No. Oh, do me like that, cut. Nah, dude, look, you know. That just sounded like a fart, cut. Let me see.
Guys, we gonna be back because we gonna play music and, you know, copyrighted, so deuces. So that is it for today's video, and if you liked it, then give it a thumbs up. And if you don't, then get the fuck out. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video, and please make sure to go down below the comments and comment what type of content do you guys want to see. Don't be shy. Anyways, like always, I love you guys, and always stay positive. Don't let no bitch, no nigga ever tell you less. But anyways, love you guys. Deuces.